watch Shrek?
Yes.
I'm gonna dress up as Lord Farquud.
Wait. Look in the camera. Lord Farquud. No, you not. I feel like I'm dressed like his girl. You gotta look it up. The dude, Craig, his girlfriend, she had real long braids, and then she had on like a little striped shirt. I feel like I'm dressed like her today. Faces.
And he found stuff there too.
Found?
Yeah. Old coins.
Found or looted?
I guess you could call it looting. I mean, he found it.
Like, as soon as that animal get close to me, I want to run. That's my toxic trait. Alligators don't hibernate, do they?
Hibernate? I don't think so.
I feel like the sun is really good today. It's a nice
out.
day, ain't it?
Yep.
Nice day to suck your belly in and make yourself look skinny.
I do that anyway.
You ain't got no belly. Shut up.
Yes, I do.
Girl. I feel like, is this a cute color, the hair?
The hair, yeah, it matches the hat.
I feel like I'm serving today.
Urban smiles.
How y'all doing?
Good, you?
Good. Girl, stop hiding from the camera.
Yeah.
So we was talking about the Halloween thing. If you still going,
The what?
the Halloween.
Halloween.
Listen, girl, you gonna have plenty of events.
You talking about horror
Good.
night?
I want to go there, but no, that's not what I'm talking about.
Oh, the party.
Yeah, we probably just gonna go out. So, which begs the question: are you gonna wear a costume?
I want a costume.
See, I want to do your makeup, but I don't got any white people foundation and stuff. So all I can do is the eyeshadow and mascara.
You know as much as I do. I can do my eyes, that's about it.
Well, you don't want to be in blackface, so. You know what? Cause my like I said, you can do the eyeshadows, but my foundation is dark.
Oh.
You gonna get canceled.
Ain't nobody gonna cancel me, nobody knows me.
Yeah, but if you
Tim, nobody's gonna cancel me.
listen, more than just us know you. We
Mom's
work with
gonna
more.
cancel me. My boyfriend gonna kick me out. You ever watch the Lorax?
No. Wait, hold on. You ain't never seen the movie Friday, have you?
No.
I feel like I'm dressed like his girl. You gotta look it up. The dude, Craig, his girlfriend, she had real long braids, and then she had on like a little striped shirt. I feel like I'm dressed like her today.
You ever watch Shrek?
Yes.
I'm gonna dress up as Lord Farquud.
Wait. Look in the camera. Lord Farquud. No, you not.
I'm about as short as him too.
Look, you got them piercing blue eyes. Nah, you gonna dress up as something cute, because I'm gonna be something cute.
I need a pixie.
You gonna be a what? I mean, you could go for a pixie. It'll sneak up on us.
I see a lot of
Because I ain't looking for alligators.
Listen, I can wrestle an alligator. I watch a lot of documentaries.
Not me. But you know what? I'll do an alligator, but a stingray? Took the crocodile hunter out, it won't take me out. I never fight a stingray.
They got
So,
where you can pet stingrays.
Yeah, I won't be doing that. My son tried to pet one. I said, no, sir. So that means...
Scared of loud noises, though, and we loud enough.
Okay. Whoa, because I just heard something.
It's a duck, I think.
Okay.
I'm sure if we look hard enough, we could probably spot one.
But yeah, I'm going to have to say that clip when you talk about, I only know you with them. Because you cap so hard.
Listen, I ain't got no friends outside of work.
Well, I mean, work friends count. Yeah, where else you gonna meet people? You grown. You sit in the house 22 hours out of a 24-hour day.
Oh, yeah.
You sit in the house 32 hours out of a 24-hour day.
Where you get them extra hours from?
Yeah, you make them. Yeah, I keep hearing stuff. Because you be sitting here talking about I slept 16 hours. How you slept 16 hours and we work 8 of them hours, 9 of them hours? And you got to get to and from work. So you must have did that on an off day.
Yeah.
Exes.
Yeah, I was like, what you mean throw axes? You're talking about, yeah, it really gets out your frustration.
Oh, so like uptown where they throw axes. I'm too,
I was like, I didn't take her for that type of person.
I mean, it's just it's recreation. You went and threw axes? So how you know she did?
Because she told me.
I mean, I'm very uncoordinated, so I don't feel like it'll work for me. I know it's beautiful, ain't it? See, aren't you glad you came here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. You brave. Braver than me.
I might fall in though.
You gonna go stand on it?
Huh?
You gonna go stand on it?
You want a picture?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a video. Tell about a picture.
Girl, you don't make me crack under pressure. I'm gonna trip and cut my leg and fall in.
And don't blame me.
He likes like metal detecting and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't think you can metal detect out here though.
You can metal detect wherever the hell you want to metal detect it.
He got arrested for doing it.
What? He got arrested for doing it?
Yeah, was that like a state park or something?
Well, you can't do it. Well, okay, I changed my mind. You can't do it anywhere. Technically you can, but it's illegal some places.
And he found stuff there too.
Found?
Yeah. Old coins.
Found or looted?
I guess you could call it looting. I mean, he found it.
I feel sorry for people who don't get to see this kind of stuff. No. Some about people who like live in areas they don't have trees and stuff. Crazy.
Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you really chose a perfect day. I need to request the day after Halloween off, but I feel like they're not gonna give it to me because I don't have no PTO. You think they'll give it to me?
I don't know. You probably have to ask.
So putting in the request ain't enough. Ain't enough. Ain't that asking?
I think the day after was blurred out for time
On the
off.
31st though, I believe. Unless you want that night off, not that morning. Oh, I'm such a scaredy cat. I like nature, but I don't like animals. Like as soon as that animal get close to me, I want to run. That's my toxic trait. Girl, you need to get you a 10.
Huh?
You need a 10. It's cute and all, but it don't make me want to jump in. It's giving very much fishy smelling water, dirty water. Even though it's fresh, it's not giving fresh water. That's what you go to the spring for, girl.
McDonald's and walk 4 miles back home
Why?
just to walk to McDonald's for a McFlurry.
Girl! To be young, wild, and free. Listen, which it don't matter what I say because I usually record over the sound anyway. But one day I can't. You ain't got on pants, you got on shorts. I don't know what you meant.
You always know what I mean. That's why you always laughing.
Calling you a... You really think I was calling you a cat?
Yeah, no. Think I'm that dumb?
You don't know what cat means?
I thought you were two-faced cat.
It's gooey. Wait.